Massacre is one of the most talented artists to surface in the dancehall space since Vybz Kartel. I am not comparing him to Vybz Kartel, but Vybz Kartel is a mold of a perfect dancehall artist in terms of delivery, lyrics, creativity, and flow. Massacre has the potential to be great. Let's check out samples of some of his songs, audio and video, starting from older to newer song, so you can understand and appreciate the caliber of artists we are dealing with.
Me say me now wait on the bus. Earth a run red, fish and bread. Smarty get a rum and nine. Send any one of them, send anybody. Send any one of them, send anybody. Send any one of them, send anybody. Who want me war anybody. Send any one of them, send anybody. Send any one of them, send anybody. Send any one of them, send anybody. Want me war anybody.
Well on then, but from island from the island. Freestyle but in a textile and Samantha Jane sing about tight up skirt and you know set down you go buy one. So a pop time we can do a farming. Throw through two of them in a frying pan. Them feel like them can't get beaten. Blue cartel gone the horizon. You know see a young general a walk through. Hey little boy won't be the eyes on. Every girl want dive I'm a dive on. And now she a go on like Ivan. She a say me can't pop like nylon. Me a tell her what to do and the Simon.
Me good dear, me a walk with a slug. Shut a fall like rain, now your yard it a flood. No girl it no rub, and me knife think a girl you a fight. Pussy wall, you a war with a tug. Go tell anyone of me foes, the bomber they close. Turn man in a ghost, Rassity Mackie. Sound like smarty with horse, it polish like furniture from in a court. Smooth grip, it no make me and me get course. Pebbles na face, damage your pores. Me get in the money, bang in the horse. Shut a kick, like Jackie Chan in the shoes.
I say them bad but me don't understand. I must say bad breath with a couple bad grammar. Walk and I tie up them head with bandana. Boy face off fly when we fly, but the hammer gonna wave like a banner. Crazy piranha, rifle a put them on a pan hanger. Pussy them a actor and a Montana. Key clip bend like banana and comma. Big up Canterbury on the blood clot sanya. Full of rifle like Bush and Saddam. Me and me gun alone step go shell down a home. Me nah pick up a stone or boat fi rock a bone. Me shot any pussy anywhere anytime. Make them friends and them friends group up a moan. Them a licky bad man them just a roam. We a gun buster from with the inna the suffer zone. Shot a pull out boy flat, must a comb. Bust me gun inna your face. Me say tell them again. Them a no gunman, them have gunman friend. Them a no gunman, them have gunman friend. Fuck if the call now go through on your phone. Take with the rifle, it rise it a clap. Your life on your back, your inside full of shot. Me ride up on the men's bicycle stop. Be a laugh at the bicycle, ice pick attack. Rib cage pop, you slide and a jump. While him a gap, me smile and a knock. Skin fry like sprat in a aisle in a pot. Your friend them afraid of the hide figure shop. Me always chat for the crime and a chat. I no see the max and a show time in a act. Pussy don't feel like a rhyme in a shotgun burst. See the earth we drive in a dot. Chatting shit. Me have me gun, one waist, y'all a jump and brace. That's how we do it down in Jamaica. Me no thump in a face, me no punk, me no chase. Rifle shot at the rebound breaker. Me body bumbo real. If them this me cut burn pen, we a go rise the game. John spend too much his lane, send me free rise the game. What more? To the street man genuine. Every girl say me sweet like heroin. She lift up the rifle and walk with it. And not thumping her teeth, fi swell her chin. Car any pussy this me the road. Jay put the piece pan repeat like Stereo King terror thing. When me reach at your yard and bleach at your yard as a rich man shell your skin. Blackburn pen me no feel crime. Bust them head and run off some jail time. Touch back a road shop with the same 9. Me gun expensive so me wear mine. Sugar press face thinking brain jumpy. Grand spend fire 16 and pumpy. This fool me pussy hole you a junkie. Countless dopey man making a the country. One time ready fi bleach like cartel. Rascal from me get cross like bunty. Which lad even the pussy them a monkey. Shut a bus body does a jump like bungee. Me nah look na hide me no blood clot hungry. My friend them wild like crocodile Dundee. Me bada vaga want some umbre. Gonna bust any man try confront me. I'm just being honest. This split me light up this morning make me speak in Spanish. With the eagle, guess what me do? Me make people vanish. Be a girl a boss and me evil, me liar, me never keep me promise. Chew chick around, fuck her friend to one being honest. Rum na me cup, girl for me dick, yo, me need me chronic. If you diss me, you're dead, pussy, all when you leave the planet. Puffy try to tell him, say he calm. Tyler said they never real him, say him no say every friend him born. Spliffy 9 mouth, Mackie 11 9 palm. If I solo, then I swallow. Puffy cool up me warm. Rolling out your afraid out a road when me gone. Puffy hesitate fi move member and youth and say a psalm. Head over here, she the valley of the shadow of death. Them can't do no harm, Puffy can't back down. But him get Tyler the first gun, get Tyler the first spliff. No time for the hearse come. Puffy want to look the killer straight in him eye, and Tyler want to see him face. Two of them a soldier.
Two of them apart from baby stage. Two of them apart from baby stage. Tyler can't believe I'm puffy confused. Tyler hardcore but this a wrong move. We apart from box truck marble, mackerel and rice dog, one shirt and one shoes. Can't believe me take your life, my brother. Me if you protect your life, my brother. Take much blood clot friend from boy, you must say idiot. Gunshot in the pussy, well I just be that. Steel knocking on your pussy face, then as a real act. Your correct name a eat and squeeze one knee pop. Your big pussy mother know you're born for eat cat. Tree slap the free black, bloody like a meat shop. Career done crash, now what time for heartbeat. Stop when man a beat, strap them up them head underneath frack. Boom boy, gun go and wreck. Me no broke, me we broke a neck. What's the cylinder, turning on your bed? Trigger happy, so me keep one in at the head. Cut the fuckery from your this and you a go dead. Them find your body without the hand, without your head. Man bust the cylinder, things get dread. All 3, 5, 7 left you thinner than a thread. Run off your mouth in your skin with fire lead. Somebody buy fish, somebody buy your bread. A 9-9 from your this and you a go dead. Hey boy them, start it and them a run help you one call. Boom, Roberto Carlos hardball. Me the sex so we don't worry you can't wall. Boy skin good and tougher than all wall. When me cell phone there, make a small call. Be a crocodile roll out couple. Talk with bad like 90s dance hall. Boy them a go on like say the rain can't fall. Send for the fire stick that non stall. You full of be a big chop but your heart small. Boom, hardball. Run through a bun, okay boy when you a try. 50 bag and 20 bag. Joking, me nah go lie. I just heard alone and never bush we go by. When me tell you say me high, believe me say me high. H2O, my heart a race, my brain a fly plane. At the highest we go by, yes, push a migraine. The light a done in at the party, we go find flame. Light it up again, my friend, more fire like I wait. Me nah beg a liquor, no me rather dead fit thirst. Me no beg heal, me nah heal them first. Only thing we beg a look up prayer from the church. Might beg a look up pussy, ain't a lift up your skirt. Me a pressure them, I'm pressure make the pipe burst. Me gone at the club, me nah go in at the earth. Coulda have $1 million in your purse. Me tell any gal my mother come first. Where you feel like boy can't say we love beg. No gal can clown we. I feel rich now. Right now mommy have to sleep. 3 picnic and 1 bed. Ground she have to sleep. Swear that I fit change just some jump in at the street. I'm go hunting at the street for buy the house them and the jeep. And when me born God know it never sleep. Father gonna chill us, baby just a creep. Now me a fist sail out, make the cash money. Family account for me. Life journey begin. Yes, in this world we live in. People are just people, them don't want you in. You are gonna see some of the finish line. I beg you one thing. Granny say fi humble, lazy and sin. Me no watch people, me day up on the ceiling. What them a do? Fly over them. What them a do? Fly over them. Jordan, them never see the world.
With all the talent Massacre has, he's yet to emerge out of the underground stage to being a full-fledged household name in dancehall locally and internationally. Is this a case of sabotage and dancehall politics raising its ugly head up to stifle another potential star? I don't know. What do you think? With a visible body of consistent work and the onslaught of good songs he has released in 2016, I think he's on the verge to bust out big for 2016. Massacre has a respect of the street as a lyricist, and that gangster image which is always a plus in dancehall but could also be a curse because it could cause him to overstep the boundaries, sending him behind bars when he should be out creating bars. With the tag of being a top-tier freestyle lyricist, it has caused him to receive numerous challenges from other artists who obviously sees him as the #1 contender and want to dethrone him to get that respect and shine. So far he stands undefeated. Massacre is a controversial artist who is managed by a more controversial manager in Coritad. This is not usually a good combination because when 2 hothead people link up as a team, it can lead to destruction. I just hope they manage to avoid all the BS and concentrate on the business of music. Thank you for checking out my videos. Blessing and peace till we link again. One love.